That's right, guys. Odin and I want to thank each and every one of you. 1,000 subs. That is absolutely amazing. We will be doing a special 1,000 subscriber episode in the coming weeks, but for now, we are continuing our review series on the Havana Club Cuban Smoky. So just a little recap, this is a rum, a dark rum that is aged in Islay Scotch barrels, so it takes on a nice smoky characteristic. In the last episode, we did a taste test, and we also made a daiquiri. You can click that link and go check that out. Today we're making a Mai Tai, and stick around, we got one more drink to do. So let's do it. Let's make a Smoky Mai Tai. So we're starting, of course, with our Havana Club Cuban Smoky. We're doing 2 ounces. This is a fantastic rum. Subtle smoke. It's not overpowering. So it worked really well in the daiquiri. I'm hoping it works just as well in a Mai Tai. Now, next up, we're doing 3/4 ounce of Cointreau. I decided to use Cointreau instead of Curacao or Grand Marnier. Those have a much deeper, richer complexity because they're based in cognac. I didn't want anything to kind of overpower the rum. I really want to taste the rum, so I figured a Cointreau or a triple sec was the better option here. Next up, 3/4 ounce of Orgeat Syrup. Orgeat, of course, being an almond flavored syrup. After that, we're going to do an ounce of lime juice. So full disclosure here, when I made the drink and recorded it, I think my Orgeat went bad. Yeah, it was pretty gross. So I tried it again over the weekend, and I made my own homemade Orgeat. I used a recipe from a fellow cocktail YouTuber, The Wee Pearl. Check out her channel. She has amazing videos and a great Orgeat recipe. So make sure to check out her channel and give her a subscribe. Yeah, and so I made the homemade Orgeat, and the Mai Tai was much better. Okay, flippy move. Seal the tin. We filled it up with some ice. We're going to give it a good 20-second shake. I had small ice. You can use crushed ice, whatever you want. Excellent. We're serving this in a rocks glass. Mine's been chilling for a while. We're going to do a straight dump. No need to strain. And then we're going to top it off with more crushed ice or pebble ice, like I have here. All right, for garnish, we are doing the traditional Mai Tai garnish. We're going to do a bouquet of mint. And I got a dehydrated orange wedge here, orange slice. And I'm going to put a straw in there. And there it is. There is our Smoky Mai Tai, made with Havana Club Cuban Smoky. This was an excellent Mai Tai, especially the second one with the homemade Orgeat. However, the smoke was way too subtle. It was really kind of hidden behind all the other flavors. There's just, compared to the daiquiri, there's just too much going on here with the Orgeat and the orange liqueur. Too much going on that the smoke kind of fades away. But still a very good drink. Subscribe, guys, because we got one more smoky drink coming up. Stay tuned. Cheers.